Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to look at the Vantage plain plastic for a two-place Grumman. We had a video where we showed you all the pieces for the Project Tiger, but let's take a look at the Vantage plastics that are coming in to replace the original plastics in a lot of our two-place airplanes. I think we're going to have a lot of fun with this, and you'll be surprised at some of the results. So stay tuned for more fun. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. We've all seen what's been happening with our plastics in the back of the airplane over the last almost 50 years. It's getting cracked, and we've been repairing it. We've been using silicone to smooth out some of the rough edges. But, no matter what we do, we're never going to make it perfect. That's why the plain plastics by Vantage work out so well. Now, if you look here, a comparison between the plain plastics on the right and the Fletch Air piece on the left, you can see first off, there's a lot less trimming. As a matter of fact, from one of our customers here in Ohio, he told us that it took 4 hours to take one side of that plastic piece and get it out of the Fletch Air casting. With the Vantage, he spent 4 minutes with a Dremel and it was ready to be painted and mounted in the aircraft. So there's a savings right there. 4 hours to get it out of the left, and here's the plain plastic side by side so you can see left and right. So ladies and gentlemen, it's a nice flexible plastic. It's available fairly quickly, about 3 to 4 weeks. You use the Sim plastic paints to coat it so you get UV protection. We hope you found all this useful and informative on plastics. This is what it looks like when you have a two-place airplane and you're expecting to redo your interior. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Apologize for the lighting, because a lot of times I don't have time to go turn on a light when I want to film them playing with paper on the floor or wrestling with each other. A lot of times it happens in the wee hours of the night, and I just can't throw enough light on there. So please accept my apology and enjoy their antics and their fun. Thank you.